Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. Driven Dave here. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Today on the channel we're going to be covering a really cool little adapter from my friends at Liacelee, and this is a really cool Tesla to J1772 charging adapter. And what's really neat about this one is that it is very compact. It's kind of hard to tell for scale, but you know, if I take here's my 1772 to Tesla adapter, it's almost the same size, which is really, really cool. So I'll hold these up for comparison, that way you can see. So what's really great about this, if you've got, and I think this applies to a lot of my viewers and some of my friends, like a buddy of mine, he's got a Tesla Model Y, which him and his wife kind of share, I think, for the long distance stuff. But then they also have a Mini Cooper for their local stuff. But I know they have a Tesla wall connector, which is like their main charging thing. So something like this would be good for a family like theirs, where they've got a Tesla and something else. And like that would be perfect for my household, for example. Like if we had the Tesla and another EV car, it would be great to be able to charge the other EV with this. Now this isn't going to be for supercharging. This is not designed for DC fast charging, at least not to my knowledge. But this is going to be fine for, you know, any of your Tesla wall connector, Tesla mobile connector, the Tesla destination chargers, and you can see that on the box right there. It's rated from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. 80 amps current, 250 volt AC, 10,000 times service life, and enclosure rating IP54. Let's see what else the box can tell us. I think that's about it. So let's check it out. I did a nicer unboxing, but I'll show you this one. It comes with a really nice little storage bag, which is great. And here you can see it's a nice little compact adapter. And again, I'll show you, my 1772 adapter. It's almost the same size. It's just a little bit bigger. And of course I'll show you me plugging this into my Tesla mobile connector, but you know, basically it's got this little unlock, and then that secures everything into place, and boom, you're good to go. Obviously you're not going to be plugging this 1772 adapter into it, but just to give you an idea of how it works. And then it's got this, when you're plugging into, say, your Mini Cooper EV, bam, and then you can unlatch it with this. So really simple design, very high quality. It's a nice chunky adapter. And again, what I love about it is that it's just so compact. You can put it in this nice little storage bag and you can take it anywhere with you. Boom, good to go. Keep that in your glove box, put it in your front, whatever, like whatever kind of car you have, keep this with you. I love having adapters. I think like you can never have enough adapters. So definitely check this out. I'll have a link to this product in the description. Please go check it out. There are some great deals happening right now, some great discounts. So definitely save yourself some money, get yourself something very useful. It also comes with this really nice user manual in color, which is great. And they've got info for customer service should you have any issues. Very nice at the company. So definitely check them out. And my friends, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to save some money. And until next time, stay driven.